Hello everyone and welcome back to the Weather Centre. As expected on Tuesday, fog developed across much of the western coastline as well as along the south coast of the country. That kept things quite cool for many places. On the other side of the country, on the other hand, it was cloudy into the low veld and we even had a few showers drifting through the area. It was a partly cloudy and dry day throughout the central parts, including into areas of the northern and eastern Cape. Now on Wednesday, we're expecting a cold front to be approaching the west coast. It's going to become increasingly cloudy and wet across the area, much cooler than Tuesday was. Ahead of the cold front, bergwind conditions will be affecting the eastern Cape. It's going to be a warm and windy Wednesday across that province. Up in the north of the country, partly cloudy and mild, no rain expected across the area. Now, the South African Weather Service has issued a watch for the likelihood of runaway fires developing over parts of the southern interior in association with the dry, hot and windy weather expected across the region on Wednesday. KwaZulu-Natal is going to be quite warm once again. Ladysmith gets to 27 and Pietermaritzburg very warm at 28 degrees. Into the Eastern Cape, we're expecting it to be hot along the coastal belt of the province, many areas reaching above 30 degrees Celsius, otherwise milder towards the north. Aliwal North gets to a high of 24. Now, we're expecting cooler air to reach parts of the Garden Route coast already in the morning. That's going to help keep things cool across the area. 19 for Mossel Bay and George, cloudy at times. And as we head further westwards, lots of cloud in the forecast and rain for Cape Town and Langebaan at 17 degrees. And some of that rain will reach as far inland as Worcester and Robertson. Showers may reach Vredendal and even Springbok later on. Alexander Bay, on the other hand, is expected to remain dry. And into the northern Cape interior, it's going to be a windy afternoon, especially for the southern parts. De Aar at 24, while Prieska reaches a high of 28. The Free State will be partly cloudy and mild once again, 21 degrees for Bethlehem and Harrismith, and we're not expecting any rainfall in the northwest. Partly cloudy skies developing in the afternoon, 25 will be your maximum in Mahikeng. Limpopo will also be partly cloudy, although cloudy at first, especially along the escarpment, where there could be some early morning fog. Musina in the far north of the province gets to 28 degrees, and it's going to be a cool day in eMakazeni with a maximum of only 20. In Gauteng, partly cloudy and mild once again, 21 for Soweto and Johannesburg, and Pretoria gets to a pleasant 23. And here we can see those very windy conditions developing over the western parts of South Africa. De Aar averaging at 50 kilometers per hour on Wednesday afternoon. Now for a look ahead, and Thursday brings rain along the eastern coastline of the country as the cold front moves through, reaching Durban and Richards Bay in the evening. And on Friday, we're expecting dry weather to return to Cape Town. It remains partly cloudy and warm in Gauteng, but it's going to be a cloudy and wet day once again for KZN.
You deserve to know more.
eNCA.com